I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying Face ID and ensuring your device is updated. Open Settings and confirm Face ID is enrolled. Add an alternate appearance if needed. Once done, go to Photos and pick the first album or images you want to secure. Make a quick backup to iCloud or an encrypted drive before locking anything, because locked photos may behave differently with sync. This prevents accidental loss while you proceed to set up locking controls and permissions. Now you'll move chosen images into a secure container that enforces Face ID. If using built-in notes, create a new note, add images, then lock the note with Face ID. For secure apps, import photos and enable the app's Face ID lock in settings. Make sure the app's permissions disable previews and restrict photo access. Once assigned, test by closing and reopening the app. Face ID should prompt before revealing any protected photos. Finish by confirming every locked photo requires Face ID to open. Try viewing from Photos or the Secure app. If anything remains visible, move it back into the locked container. Make sure you have a recovery option like your device passcode or the app's recovery phrase in case of failure. If Face ID stops working, re-enroll your face, clean the True Depth camera, and try again in normal lighting. These steps ensure locked photos stay private without risking permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.